Umndeni ngabangani kanye-ke namalungu omphakathi ahlanganyeleke ePitoli ngomgqibelo ukugubha kusuku lokuzalwa lukaPhilemon Magwaza obehlanganisa iminyaka eyikhulu edlanhlamvana khona la kwelimagade ahlabayo. Umndeni kaMagwaza uthi-ke ujabule ngokubona ilungu lawo lifinyelela kule minyaka, wabonga nongabonwayo ngokumbusisa ngempilo ende kangaka. Amalungu omphakathi kajoyine lo mgubho ukuzohlonipha omunye wawo oseneminyaka-ke eyikhulu nokuba njeke ingxenye yale ngqophamlando yomcimbi.
Bathe akusajwayelekile ukubusiswa ngeminyaka eyikhulu usadla anhlamvana emhlabeni abayizingane kanye nesizukulu sikaPhilemon Magwaza abamenzele indumezulu yomcimbi yokubungaza impilo yakhe endaweni yasePitoli ngempelasonto. uMagwaza ubeke kanjena ngenkathi edlulisa amazwi okubonga.
Ngiyathaba ngiqhamathe inale mahle amahulu umahawa mndi yarada.
Okay, so i-advice uma inikeza abantu abancane yiphi?
Bana mundimu murena mundimu abathusha ahule ahule kumudimu azahula mfela.
Kusenjalo izingane azizalayo kanye nabazukulu bakhe basike kwelijikayo bechichima ngenjabulo.
Ubaba unethando and alright ukuthi yabona maka khuluma athi a spade is a spade injalo ihlala njalo, and then nomama naye ngiyamazi bangikhulisile, omama ushile mara yena usesekhona, so I appreciate le minyaka le uNkulunkulu amnike yona. Yeah, so I appreciate.
Umnandi ubani ubaba ufana nje odingaloma usikhulise kahle, wasibisa esikoleni safunda sasebenza khona manje sepension njengaye.
Sijabule sajabula kakhulu ufikile ku100 years. Thina sibathi nje sisahluleka. Ngina 75 mara sengihluleka ukuthi ngiyenzeni.
I feel eternally grateful to uNkulunkulu for blessing umkhulu wami with 100 years of life. I just want to actually spend more time with him. I don't know how long he has still to be alive, but I would love to spend more time with him just to get the secret tsa gaetsa life gore ke eng e mo yentseng a fitlhe this age.
One of my best memories was Mdala ironing my matric dent suit. That, for me, that moment was godly, in a sense, because Mdala is the opulence of cleanliness and being neat as a gentleman. So, him pressing my suit, my very first suit actually, it was a very significant moment. It was heartwarming.
Lo mcimbi inhloso ngqangi yawo ukubonga ukugcinwa kwaMagwaza iminyaka eyikhulu esaphila kulomhlaba. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngisePitoli.